How to upload course on Payhip. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload course on Payhip. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Payhip, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Payhip, it is an innovative e-commerce platform designed to empower creators by enabling them to sell a variety of products directly to their audience, in which Payhip provides a user-friendly interface where individuals can market digital goods such as ebooks, online courses, and membership, as well as physical products. And the platform allows users to create customizable storefront which can be embedded into existing websites or operated independently, in which this all-in-one solution streamlines the selling process by handling payment processing through services like PayPal and Stripe, managing customer communications, and providing marketing tools to boost sales. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Get Started for free on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And to create an account, just fill out all of this required information such as your first name, last name, email address, and also to generate your own password. And after that, you will now be able to be directed on this dashboard of payhip.com. And it will show you on the top panel some of the options that you can start navigating. While under this dashboard, it will show you the essentials on how you can get started. But to proceed, just click this products option on the top panel, and below here, you can start adding your own product by clicking this add product in here. And you could also start selecting a product type with your digital product, course, membership, physical product, coaching service, and bundle. So just proceed by clicking this course since we're trying to sell a course on this. And from here, all you need to do is to simply enter here the title of your course. And after entering here the title, just click the Add Course button below here. Now moving on, the next thing that you need to do from here is to simply add here a section or the content of your courses that you're selling. You can simply click here and start customizing the name of your section or add here a new lesson under this section in here. We should also customize the name of it. By clicking here, it will show you that you can simply start customizing the title. For example, at this point, I'm going to name this. Since our courses that we're selling is about freelancer, I'm going to enter here, set up your profile. Then below, you could also select a lesson type. We have here video, text, quiz, download, survey, assignment, and many more. And by choosing this video right here, all you need to do is to simply upload here a video file, which you can select on your computer files in here. Or you could start uploading a maximum of 4 GB, but make sure that it supported some of these formats in here. You could also add additional text if you want to. Well, under this lesson settings, you could also publish this lesson, or to make this a free preview lesson, and many more in here. Then you could also add here a lesson icon and label if you want to. And after that, to save the changes, just click this button, Save Changes in here. Now moving on, aside from video kind of lesson, you could also choose here to create a lesson using text, quiz, download, and many more. And by choosing the text, from here, all you need to do is simply enter here the content of your text, including a description or any context in here. So you could also make it bold, italic, underline, and many more. And even insert an image, video, or link in here. And just click the Save Changes button to save the changes after creating a context letter in here or lesson. Now once again, going back on this page right here by clicking this new lesson, aside from video and text, you could also create quiz. But I'm going to use, for example, this embed, wherein you will be directed on this page, and all you need to do is simply enter here an embed code in which it supports JavaScript embeds. Then you can simply enter here the title of your lesson and many more. Now moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate on the top panel some of the options, including the settings. By clicking this one, we will automatically be directed on these basic settings, and all you need to do is you can start customizing to upload a product thumbnail in here, and even allow the advanced options such as automatically subscribe customers to mailing list, or this product is tax exempt. And now let's say we're trying to upload a product thumbnail on our computer files. After uploading, you should see here the thumbnail photo that we've been uploaded. You can also enter here the author details, such as the first name and the last name of the author, or the author profile image of the lesson that you've been created. You'd also navigate this course player settings if you want to. And from here, you can start changing the theme, including to make it dark or light theme, the style of it such as the text color, the button color, the font style, and many more in here. Moving on the pages section, from here you could also start navigating some of your sales page, checkout page, and many more. Or you could also start viewing or editing some of those pages if you want to. Now to add a pricing plan for your courses that you're selling, just click the pricing option and just click this add pricing plan. And you could also start entering here either one-time purchase, subscription base, or even payment plan, or for free. But that depends on your preferences in here. Then you could also add here the pricing plan name and also display description on this plan to customer. Moving on to certificates section right here by clicking this one. From here you can start adding your first certificates, in which it will serve as a reward for your student that they're completing your course. So this is basically what it looks like, wherein you can start choosing a theme on the left side panel in here. So after selecting to any of this theme that is offered for free, you can now start entering here the content, including the title, the text below the course name, or even some of the notes, and also the issue date and certification ID label in here. Well, under this design, you could also start customizing, including the layout, the font style, and many more. And moving on the top panel, you could also navigate this analytics, marketing, customers, and many more. By clicking this analytics, from here it will show you your data, including your daily overviews, your number of sales in here, visit maps, and many more. So you can track here how many views have been, or the student have been clicking your courses that you have been uploaded on payhip.com. Well, under this customers, you can see it will show you the list of your customer who purchase or buy your courses in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can upload course on Payhip. Thank you.